In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Holy Water by We the Kingdom with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, we're taking a look at the song Holy Water by We the Kingdom. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. That's going to show you what arrangement you're going to learn in this video, but other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro of the song, and I want to start off by showing you the chord shapes. So here are the chord shapes we're going to use. We're going to be playing a D, down to a C, and sometimes we might add in the 7th fret, down to a G, and we might come off to this chord, and then just hang on a normal G. So I'm kind of just noodling with those extra things that I showed you. You'll see whenever I play it in context here. The intro sounds like this in context. Verse 1. Here we are in verse 1, and we're going to be playing the same chord shapes that we played in the intro, but I want to show you one little lick that I do. It kind of happens on the D string here, and it's just on the open string, the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret, and then the 2nd fret again, and then open. So that happens in conjunction with this G chord, so it'll be... So listen for that. The tab was up so you can know how to play it. I'll try to add it again whenever I play it in context here. It looks like this. Got 'em on my knees again. Got 'em begging please again. I need you. God, I need you. Walking down this desert road. Water for my thirsty soul. I need you. God, I need you, your forgiveness, into the chorus. Here we are in the chorus, and the good news is you don't even have to know how to play guitar for the chorus because all we're doing is just hitting it. So there's 2 hits for percussion that we're going to be doing on the guitar. There's this, which is like a bass hit, so you just kind of try to find the sweet spot on your guitar and use this part of your hand to thump it. And then we're just going to be scratching. So, altogether, that sounds like this. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips. It's like the sound of a symphony to my ears. It's like holy water on my skin. So that's what it sounds like. Mess around with that, you'll get the rhythm down. Let's move into the intro. Here we are in another instrumental. I called it the intro, but it's more of an instrumental. And so we're gonna be playing these chord shapes, and notice the fingering that I have on it because that's gonna be important because we're gonna add a lead line on top of this. So here are the chord shapes we're playing. We're playing a D, to a C, to a G. So here's what the tab looks like of the lead line that we're going to play. I'll play it slowly. So we're just switching back and forth between those 2 chord shapes for each chord that you see. That's what that sounds like. Let's move into verse number 2. Here we are in verse number 2, and we're going to change things up slightly. So I'll show you the chord shapes here. We're going to play a D like this time, just kind of getting rid of that one note that we had played previously. Going to play a C, move that down to a G, and you can add that little riff in there if you want. And then we're gonna go up to a D here, and then hit this harmonic. You'll see that in context then. And then to the C, down to a G, and then we're gonna hit this harmonic for a G, headed into the chorus again. So I know that was a lot. Now you know what chords we're playing. I'll play it in context. Sounds like this. Dead man walking, slave to sin. I wanna know about being born again. I need you. Oh God, I need you. Take me to the riverside. Take me under, baptize. I need you. Oh God, I need you. Your forgiveness. So like that, rewind that if you need to watch that again. There were a lot of intricate small things going on there. But let's move on to chorus number 2. Here we are in chorus number 2, and we're actually going to be playing what we played in that instrumental. So we're going to be playing that while we're singing the chorus. So that sounds like this. We already know how to play it. Now we just need to add the words on top of it. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips. It's like the sound of the symphony to my ear. It's like holy water on my skin. Into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge, and we're essentially just playing 2 chords, at least for the first half of the bridge. We're playing a D and a G, but we're going to play them some different ways. So the first time we play it, actually for the first couple times we play it, we're going to play a D like this, just the D that I always show you, and then for a G, we're going to play it like this. So all you do is add your pinky. And then eventually we're going to transition to this G, or to this D, and then to this G. Just to make it a little bit more full, and then at the end I'll show you there's a bunch of different chords as we head back into the chorus, but I'll show you this easy part first. It goes, I don't want to abuse your grace, God, I need it every day. It's the only thing that ever really makes me want to change. I don't want to abuse your grace, God, I need it every day. It's the only thing that ever really makes me want to change. I don't want to abuse your grace, God, I need it every day. It's the only thing that ever really makes me want to change. Now the last time we sing the bridge, we're going to add a few more chords in there, so pay attention. They're all standard chords. Watch it once, you'll get it. Sounds like this. I don't want to abuse your grace, God, I need it every day. It's the only thing that ever really makes me want to change. Your forgiveness. Into the chorus. The final chorus, we already know how to do what we need to do. We're going to be percussing again, and then we're just going to be playing that part again. So it sounds like this. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips. It's like the sound of a symphony to my ears. It's like holy water. Your forgiveness is like sweet, sweet honey on my lips. It's like the sound of a symphony to my ears. It's like holy water. And that's the end. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Holy Water by We the Kingdom with just you and an acoustic guitar. If you don't know who I am, my name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. I post practical worship leading tips every single day, mostly on Instagram and Facebook and my website, so go follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Leading Worship Well, or you can check out my website, www.leadingworshipwell.com. But you're here on YouTube, so if you don't want to miss out on future videos like this, I post them every week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. I post a lot of videos, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos just like this one. Until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.